In this lesson, we are going to learn about differentiating exponential functions. For example, the exponential function y is equal to e power x has the important property that its gradient at any point is equal to the y coordinate of the point. That is to say that if you have y is equal to e to power x, its dy by dx is equivalent to itself e to power x, exponential to power x. Therefore, this result can be extended to functions of the form y is equal to e to power kx, where k is a constant, and that gives us then that y is equal to an exponential power kx. Therefore, the dy by dx is equal to k e to power kx. And that then you can use the chain rule to differentiate more complicated exponential expressions. So let us see it in our first example. In our example 1, we are going to differentiate y is equal to exponential to power x square plus 1. Now in this example, we begin by letting our u to be x square plus 1. Now after letting, it means our y is now e to power u. So we go ahead to differentiate. So when you differentiate, du dx gives us 2x. So you get 2x. When you dot the power by and reduce the power by 1. Now when you differentiate dy by du, you remain with e to power u. That one we know. So using chain rule, we use chain rule. Now using chain rule, our dy by dx is equal to dy by du times du dx. The dot means times. Now substituting in, if you substitute in, our dy by du is e to power u times our du dx is 2x. Therefore, we shall have 2x e power u. Substituting u back, we get x square plus 1. That is 2x e power x square plus 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Now in our example 2, we are going to differentiate y is equal to an exponential power 3x plus 1. So we go ahead and begin by letting, we let any unknown, in this case u, equal to 3x plus 1. After letting, therefore our y becomes e to power u. When differentiate du with respect to x, we get 3. So differentiating 3x plus 1, you get 3. Then you differentiate dy with respect to du, we get e to power u. Then using chain rule, we use chain rule. So our dy by dx is equivalent to dy by du times du dx. Therefore, substituting in, we shall have e to power u times 3. So this becomes 3 e to power u. Now putting u back, we shall have 3e to power 3x plus 1. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel and like this video if it has helped you. Thank you.